Number 8. Mercedes-Maybach GLS. Ever looked at a Mercedes GLS and thought, this needs more chrome, more space, and a back seat that makes first-class flights feel like economy? Well, Mercedes heard you loud and clear, and they dialed the luxury knob to Maybach level. First up, the exterior. Chrome grille, 23-inch wheels, and enough presence to make lesser SUVs question their existence. But inside, that's where the real magic happens. Leather? Check. Wood trim? Check. Ambient lighting? Check. A panoramic sunroof big enough to let in all your expensive thoughts? Also check. The rear seats? Oh, you mean the executive lounge on wheels? They recline, they massage, and they even have their own 12.3-inch dual infotainment screens, because sharing a screen is for peasants. There's even a fridge back there. For what? Champagne, of course. What else would a billionaire need while cruising down Rodeo Drive? Under the hood, a 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 pumps out 550 horsepower, propelling this luxury behemoth to a top speed of 155 miles per hour. And the price? A cool $200,000. A small price to pay for feeling like royalty every time you shut the door. Number 7. Audi A8. You know how some luxury cars scream for attention? Well, the Audi A8 is the kind of luxury that whispers, I'm rich, but I don't need to brag about it. This full-size sedan is sleek, sophisticated, and dripping in German precision. That hexagonal grille? Intimidating. The Matrix LED headlights? Smarter than half of Twitter. Inside, it's a technological wonderland. Dual touchscreens, a digital cockpit, and even a separate 8.6-inch touchscreen just to control the climate and seat settings. Because using one screen would be barbaric, obviously. Under the hood, the V8 engine delivers 460 horsepower, ensuring a smooth, quiet, and commanding ride. It starts at $96,000, which is surprisingly reasonable for a rolling tech palace. Number 6. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. If the Cullinan were a person, it would be a British aristocrat in a custom-tailored suit, sipping rare whiskey on a yacht. This is Rolls-Royce's first ever SUV, and they didn't just throw a phantom on stilts, they built a masterpiece. The suicide doors? Iconic. The starlight headliner? A literal galaxy on your ceiling. And just when you thought it couldn't get fancier, the Cullinan flexes with retractable picnic seats in the trunk. Yep, a luxury SUV with built-in camping gear, for when billionaires want to rough it in a 5-star fashion. Powering this land yacht is a 6.75-litre twin-turbo V12 pumping out 563 horsepower. All that grandeur doesn't come cheap, though. Starting at $350,000, the Cullinan is not just a car, but a statement. Number 5. BMW 7 Series. Want to feel like you own a tech startup that just IPO'd? Step inside the BMW 7 Series. This isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a futuristic sanctuary on wheels. The kidney grille is massive, the split headlamp design is bold, and at the back, you've got sleek LED taillights that say, yes, I have arrived. Inside, the 7 Series is basically a 5-star suite on wheels. Leather? Of course. Ultra fabric? Yes. But the real showstopper. A 31-inch 8K resolution theater screen that drops down from the ceiling. Rear passengers even get touchscreen controllers on the doors because apparently buttons are so last century. It starts at $86,800, which for this level of high-tech luxury is practically a bargain. Number 4. Bentley Continental GT. Ah yes, the Bentley Continental GT. A car so elegant, so powerful, that even James Bond would trade his Aston Martin for it. The exterior? Muscular, sculpted, and intimidating. That chrome grille and LED headlights? Flawless. Inside, you're met with an ambience so rich, you half expect a butler to greet you. But here's the kicker, the Bentley rotating display. One moment, it's an infotainment screen. Push a button, it flips to reveal gorgeous wood trim. Another push? You get 3 analog dials, just in case you want a break from all the digital screens. Under the hood, you have the choice between a V8 or a monstrous W12 engine pushing out 626 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. It starts at $202,000, and for this level of class, worth every penny. Stay tuned, because we're only halfway through our list of the most luxurious, extravagant, and downright ridiculous cars on the planet. Up next, even more handcrafted interiors, insane technology, and horsepower numbers that will make your wallet cry. Number 3. Rolls-Royce Spectre. You know what's better than a Rolls-Royce? A Rolls-Royce that runs on pure electricity and still makes you feel like royalty. Enter the Rolls-Royce Spectre, the world's first ultra-luxury electric super coupe. It's proof that even the most traditional, handcrafted luxury can embrace the future. From the outside, the Spectre is a masterpiece, sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The massive Pantheon grille is illuminated, because why not? And the signature Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament has been wind tunnel tested for peak aerodynamics. Even a tiny flying lady on the hood gets a wind-cheating makeover. Now that's luxury. Step inside, and it's like floating in a futuristic palace on wheels. Soft leather? Check. Digital dashboard? Of course. Starlight headliner? Oh, absolutely. Except this time, you also get Starlight door panels, because Rolls-Royce thought, why stop at just the ceiling? But let's talk power. 1,000 horsepower from its electric motors. That's right. This 5,500-pound luxury yacht on wheels launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. That's quicker than most sports cars, all while whispering through the air like a ghost in a tuxedo. The starting price? $420,000, which, let's be honest, is just pocket change if you're already considering a Rolls-Royce. Number 2. Bentley Flying Spur. The Bentley Flying Spur isn't just a luxury car, it's a 5-star hotel room that just happens to have 4 wheels. If the Continental GT is Bentley's idea of a grand tourer, the Flying Spur is their private jet for the road. Measuring 5.47 meters long, this car is basically a limousine. The massive chrome grille, the elegant panoramic glass sunroof, and the muscular body all scream old money. The flying bee hood ornament even retracts when the car is locked, because that's just how elite this thing is. Inside, it's a cocoon of opulence. Napa leather seats, handcrafted wood trim, ambient lighting, and a Burmester 4D surround sound system that makes you feel like you're in a live orchestra performance. And for those in the back seats, there's a refrigerated compartment and a champagne flute holder, because of course there is. Under the hood, Bentley offers multiple engines, but the real beast is the 6.0-litre twin-turbocharged W12, producing 635 horsepower. That's enough to launch this luxury cruise ship from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. And if you need to get somewhere in a hurry, the top speed is 207 miles per hour, which is faster than some Ferraris. The price? $214,000. But let's be honest, if you're riding in the back of a Flying Spur, someone else is probably paying for it. Number 1. Rolls-Royce Phantom Series 2. If luxury had a final boss, it would be the Rolls-Royce Phantom. The car doesn't just represent wealth, it represents generational wealth. This isn't for the newly rich, this is for people whose families have owned castles for centuries. The Phantom Series 2 is stunning, imposing, and timeless. It's longer than a Range Rover, heavier than a tank, and smoother than silk. The Pantheon grille is bigger, the LED headlights have laser tech, and the whole thing floats like a magic carpet thanks to Rolls-Royce's flag-bearer suspension, a system so advanced it scans the road ahead and adjusts the ride in real time. Inside, you get the most exclusive materials on Earth. The leather? Hand-stitched. The wood? Hand-carved. The Starlight headliner? Customizable constellations. You can even get a bespoke dashboard artwork commissioned just for you. Powering this rolling palace is a 6.75-litre twin-turbo V12, producing 570 horsepower. And while most people who buy this car will never actually drive it, it's good to know that it glides down the road like a whispering ghost. The price? $500,000 before options. And trust me, Rolls-Royce options aren't cheap. You want a custom paint job that takes 6 months to complete? That'll be an extra $100,000. Want gold-plated Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament? That's another $50,000. The only limit? Your bank account. All right, let's be honest. Right now, most of us can't just walk into a Rolls-Royce dealership, point at a Phantom, and say, "I'll take two." But let me tell you something. If you're still here, watching till the end, you're already ahead of most people.
You got this. By buying all of his cars.
Now, what good is having millions of dollars in the bank if you don't spend any of it? But don't worry about that. Watch this.
Mr. Parker, again, can I just express our gratitude and say how much we appreciate your business. If there's ever anything else you need, you just have to ask.
Anything. Wagger's friend here, he really likes that shirt you have on.
This shirt.
That shirt.
Hold that.
Thank you.
Come on, man. Time is money.
Yes, do my best.
Damn, you need some hedge clippers for that shit.
Well, if that will be all.
And the pants, too.
You're not just daydreaming about luxury. You're mentally preparing yourself for it. And that's the first step to success. You see, success doesn't start with money. It starts with mindset. The people who make it, they don't just scroll past luxury. They study it, they get inspired, they visualize their future, and then they work for it. You're already doing step one. The rest, that's just a matter of time. So, tell me, when the money comes rolling in, which one of these beauties are you picking first? The Maybach for those VIP vibes? The Bentley for that British class? Or are you going straight for the king, the Rolls-Royce Phantom? Drop it in the comments, because speaking it into existence is the next step to making it real. And since we're on this journey together, let's make a deal. My goal? Car is going to keep bringing you the best luxury car content. And in a few years, we won't be just watching these cars. We'll be making videos about your luxury ride. So hit that subscribe button and let's chase that dream together. Because the only difference between I want it and I have it is action. Let's go.